Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the ZAI to write computer codes. So if you're looking for a platform that can help you to write computer codes, be it in Python or C language or any programming language that you want, you can be assured that Z package is going to give you that. So to access, you can go to z.ai and it is going to bring you over here. It's going to bring you over here. So you have the option to go to write a code down here. You can just click. Now you can paste in or write the content of the code that you want to generate. So let's say create an interactive bubble wrap web page with popping sounds. You can select this as an example and it is going to quickly generate the page for you. So let's just give it some seconds so we can see the process. It is pretty fast. You see it's an HTML file that is going to generate. And as you can see, this is the web page that it has generated for us, the digital bubble wrap. You can see the timing, the session, the bubble popped, total bubbles. Once you click, you should be able to have the bubble sound. It's enabled. Let's see if we can hear the sound. Yeah. You can see it is showing the sound as well. So this is very, very direct and it's very professional in terms of the writing. You can always see the preview or you can go to the code section if you want to actually visualize the code that generated the game for you. So please go ahead and explore and see how you can use this ZAI to write your computer codes. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.